Hey kids, let's learn bird's name with spelling. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Owl. O-W-L, owl. Swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Bat. B-A-T, bat. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D, wood. P-E-C-K-E-R, pecker, woodpecker. Dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Robin. R-O-B-I-N, robin. Hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G, humming. B-I-R-D, bird, hummingbird. Gull. G-U-L-L, gull. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, hornbill. Cock. C-O-C-K, cock.
Hey kids, subscribe my channel.